Picture a law firm that actually knows the streets you drive on every day. At Coogan Smith LLP in Attleboro, Massachusetts, the attorneys don't just handle cases, they handle problems for neighbours. When someone sees they're buying a two-family near sturdy hospital, these lawyers already know the traffic patterns, rental markets, and zoning headaches that might come up. They start 3 steps ahead because they live in the same world as their clients. This firm has been around since 1946 and grew into the largest law practice in the Attleboro area. They work with families, small businesses, property owners, and local organisations across southern New England. One partner calls the office a legal Swiss Army knife for the region. That local knowledge saves time and cuts risk in ways you might not expect. Consider estate planning. Only about 1/4 of Americans have a will, leaving families to navigate court rules instead of clear wishes. The attorneys tell stories of siblings spending 18 months settling their mother's estate simply because she never wrote down her wishes. Their baseline recommendations are straightforward: a will, power of attorney, healthcare proxy, and clear beneficiary designations. They love simple tools, often giving clients a 1-page summary, answering who's in charge, what they control, and where the key documents live. For small businesses, the pattern is familiar. A new owner walks in with a thick online contract they've used with 20 clients, then discovers it doesn't fit Massachusetts law when someone pushes back. The firm suggests starting with short, clear contracts under 10 pages. Using simple language you can explain out loud and reviewing them annually. Real estate and zoning work means facing boards, hearings, and notices. The attorneys spend evenings in those rooms, watching people learn about abutter rights and long-time opponents of new projects. Their advice reads like a project plan. Talk to an attorney before signing agreements tied to approvals. Map out every needed permit in order. Meet with departments early and bring simple visuals to explain your project. The firm shows what happens when legal help stays connected to real life. These attorneys walk the same streets, sit on local boards, and see the long-term impact of choices on families and businesses. You don't need to become a legal expert to protect yourself. You just need smart habits like writing down your plans, using clear contracts, reading rules before building, and asking for help when stakes are high. Law doesn't have to feel like a maze. With the right local guide, it becomes more like a toolkit for moving forward. Want to learn more about how Coogan Smith approaches everyday legal problems? Read the full article at infinitesites.com.